Hi. Yeah, thanks for getting our products. In case if you already did, we appreciate your business. So this is a copy of the mileage log that you're able to print out. Now the thing with this one is that you have to do the calculations by yourself. It is not already pre-calculated because it's meant for printout purposes. Okay, and of course, this is the starting mileage, ending mileage, total mileage. Okay, so the starting mileage and the starting odometer are the same thing. It's the number of your odometer. Of course, you can see that on your the dashboard of your car. Okay. The ending odometer is after you've already, of course, used some of the you've driven, to work for your delivery for your that is for your business use, and of course for your personal use. Let's say you took your kids to school and then you went back and picked them up, and the total mileage will be the total of the business and the personal use. Okay. This book is a month worth. So what you want to do is to avoid going. I know it's already the 28th. Of course, it's a new month in few days. It's a lot easier to then start in few days. So this is just a month worth. Because it's printable and it's a paper, you can print as many copies as you want. It's 4 pages long. Okay, and the reason why I made them big like this, it's so it's visible for you, and you're able. It gives you enough space to write. So moving back, as you can see, like I said, it's 4 pages long. You get to write your date over here, and then when you're done for the month, you want to write the date that you're signing it, a signature, and your full name. And the reason why there's no preset name, of course, it's for the public. Anyone is able to purchase and download it. Okay, so in that manner, every month you want to make sure that you do that. And of course, that's after doing your calculation. If you're someone that prefers to, do your calculation, that whatever works for you. Okay, it just helps to be able to differentiate what mileage you're using towards your business and of course towards your personal, and most especially when you're filing taxes. You don't want to be like Mr. Jeff that was guessing how many mileage he used towards his business when he could have, gotten more. He was owed more refund, more tax refund, but because he was not keeping track of his mileage, he missed out and literally left money on the table. You don't want to do that. You want to be able to track your mileage. It also helps I mean, to have your personal records. Personally, for me, the automatic works for me because calculating might take some time, you know. But for other people, they prefer to write it where they have the paper. Once they get into their car, they quickly write it down. And of course, for some people as well, they print it out. I do have clients that have a copy of this where they write it. And then at the end of the month, they put the number so it automatically calculates it for them. So they have a paper copy that they can write it down so they don't forget, and then they impute it. So that at the end of each tax year, they just send me the automatic ones where it's a lot easier, it's pre-calculated, and it makes their life easier. So whatever works for you is what you should do. And then additionally, of course, as a delivery driver, it means that you're not an employee, okay? You're a contractor. And whatever expenses you use, for instance, you got a new tire, you did some repair or services on your car. That is your expenses right there. We have logs that are built towards expenses, and of course for a delivery driver, most of you get a 1099, so you don't need the income one. But I have so many clients that are small businesses that does need whenever the buying product, they want to be able to know how much they're spending towards it, and of course keep their receipt, but most importantly have a record of it, so that at the end of the year they can know how much is coming in and how much is going out towards bills or towards expenses. That helps you to know. And I know that a lot of people would be afraid, oh, maybe if I indicate how much I earned, maybe I wouldn't get a tax refund back. That is not true. Oh, or maybe I didn't get much money this year, I can know if I you have to report it. If you have a business, whether you make money or not, if you do, you also want to make sure that you have a record of your expenses. That way, you know that, let's say you're making 10,000, but if unfortunately, because it's a new business, you're trying to build your business and you've spent 12,000 trying to get other things to set yourself up in your business, yes. But if you do not track it, how are you able to, determine that? You have to make sure that you, of course, have records of all your cash flow, and take a look at all our logbooks. And if you're not sure which one fits into your business needs, reach out to us and we'll be happy to help. And of course, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.